This is the easiest way to color grade your video to achieve a cinematic look using CapCut. Select the video you want to color grade. Go to the Adjustment tab and click on the Color Match option. I want to apply a brown color tone to this greenish video. Select the brown tone video, then click OK. Now you can see that the greenish video has adopted the color tone of the brown tone video. You can adjust the intensity of the color as per your preference. By clicking on the local option, you can match your video's color to an image's color if desired. To learn more about CapCut's new features, watch my complete CapCut playlist.